guys, so I just got back from my midwife appointment, had lunch, and I'm so tired. I am gonna update you all primarily in my pregnancy video that I do want to film today, but at the same time, I kind of want to nap when she naps because I'm just so exhausted. Because she got up at, yeah, 5:45 this morning, so I'm tired. But I'm measuring right on track for 20 weeks. She said it's exactly, oh, what happened? What? Oh, you can't get it closed? There we go. It's okay, someone's been out of sorts today because I think she's teething. Oh, we can't get, she's pointing to the stickers here. We gotta leave those on there. You want to see one? Okay. How about you can have this one? You want the snowman or snowflake? You stick it on there. Good job. Yeah, she's been cranky, so I think she's teething. I know she already had, or it seems that she already got most of her molars, but I know at 18 months they get, I guess they get more. I don't know. Anyways, I thought she already had them, but it looks like she's getting more. Oh, you put it in Mommy's boot. Because she's just been cranky and not sleeping well and just... Careful! Completely out of sorts today. So yeah, I'm measuring right on track for 5 months. Hold on, baby. It's okay. There we go. And yeah, baby's heart rate's 150. It's always been about 150, which makes me think, boy, I know they say it's a myth. The heart rate's a complete and utter myth. That's what my midwife said. However, Blake's heart rate, even at this point, was always in the 160s. So it just makes me kind of think like, oh, it could be, but I still think it's a girl. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, really? Tell everybody what you think. But yeah, I'll update you guys more on the VBAC stuff in my pregnancy video. That'll probably be up before this, so check the link down below. But yeah, honestly, I'm sorry, but today's gonna be more of a boring vlog just because I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off lately, like getting Christmas decorations and finishing Christmas shopping and weddings and makeup jobs, and so right now it's kind of calm until next week, so I'm kind of just enjoying it. So we're just gonna chill today. I'm not even going to my parents for dinner. Up, you can go up, down, down, up. Her new thing is standing up and sitting down, down. We really need a new gate for here because this thing is useless. But I washed the floors, all the floors this morning. Mama. And I washed the stairs. Is it coming down? Mama. Yeah, come down. Come down. I always take her socks off now because she stepped down because she slips more when she's in socks. Come on. Down. Down. Come on. There we go. There we go. I don't know if I told you guys, but I plan on painting this wall. I think I did tell you. Anyways. Yeah, so we're just going to chill and relax because I'm very tired today. And that's about all that there is to say at this point. We're going to have just leftover shepherd's pie for supper. That's kind of it. I'm very tired. He and I just woke up from a nap and I'm having a little snack that I think I'm gonna have to share. You can take some. Cheese, good girl. It's beautiful finally seeing the sun shining. Oh my God, I think I'm gonna do some baking this afternoon. Is that good? So right now, B and I are gonna make some of those healthy blueberry muffins. She's just sitting right here on the counter. So we've got our frozen fruit. You need Quaker oats, flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, canola oil or butter, vanilla extract, and that's it, and it's really good. So I'm gonna just montage you right now. We'll go from there. guys, so I just put B to bed, and this is so frustrating, but this is just something that happens with your second baby. So I'm sure a lot of you watching this who are on your second child can attest to this. But I literally just finished emptying my bladder, or so I thought, upstairs. I come downstairs, I'm just trying to put our toys away. I come downstairs and I squat down to pick something up, and I like peed. I peed myself. Not a lot, but just like a and I'm like, are you kidding me? I literally just went pee. Like, what the hell? And this is an ongoing thing. Oopsies. I know I mentioned it in my last pregnancy video update, but it's seriously so annoying, and it just keeps getting worse. Like, as I get it was dark in here, farther and farther along, it just gets worse and worse and worse. And it's so frustrating, but I know I'm not alone. I know there's other moms that this happens to, and it's just because everything's weaker down there. So if you haven't gotten pregnant yet with your second, or you're newly pregnant, that's what you have to look forward to. And I didn't even have a vaginal birth. I had a C-section, but I guess that doesn't matter. So anyways, curled up on the couch now. Gonna relax, edit some videos, get them uploaded for you guys, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.